Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Engr.ashfaq, with a new tutorial of AutoCAD 2D. So let's start our figure from drawing the horizontal line with a 96 and the vertical line with a 144. So this is our figure. First of all, I'm going to AutoCAD window. We'll draw a line with 96 and another line with the 144 inches. So as I have drawn these two lines, now again I am looking to my figure as we have the two offset line from at 38 and 38 from either edges, and another one offset line at a distance of 96. So first of all, I am going to offset this line at a distance of 50. Again, looking to my figure, I am going to draw a vertical line with 26. Now looking to my figure, I'm going to offset this line at a distance of 22, the horizontal line. So for taking my circle reference point, now select the circle and draw two circles with a die of 26 and radius 14 on both reference portion. Now I have drawn these two circles. Again, I am looking to my figure, I am going to draw two vertical lines from circle and will trim the extra entities in my figure. Now I am going to offset the horizontal line at a distance of 70 as shown in the figure, and will draw a circle with a radius 38, and another one we will draw a circle with a radius 15, and etc. At the top of our figure, we are going to draw two circles with a radius 20 and a circle with a die of 20. Now we are going to draw a circle with a radius of 32 and another one with a 40 diameter. Now we are going to fillet these two circles with a radius of 40. Select fillet command and select both circles and give a radius of 40 to fillet these two circles. Now fillet this circle with a radius of 15 from either side and trim the extra entities from our figure as shown. So this level of figure has been completed. After trimming the extra entities, now our figure has been completed. We are going to make a hedge at the center of our figure. Select the hedge, give proper hedging, give proper angle. Now give proper annotation to our figure and dimensioning. From annotation tab. If you are new on my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more upcoming interesting video. So this level of figure has been completed. At last we are going to draw a front of our figure by selecting print and draw a window across our figure. So we will center the plot and will make a PDF copy of our figure. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.